In this diagram, we have to find angle at B. Okay. So if we look in the diagram at H, we can see this is, so I can find this angle. So this angle should be 180 minus 135. So this should be equal to 45. Okay, so this is 45. Same way I can find this angle. This angle is also making linear pair, so it should 180 minus 105. So this is equal to 75. Okay, so this is here 75. Okay, now we can find this angle. This angle should 180 minus 75 minus 45. So this is equal to 60. Okay, this is 60. So this angle and this angle is vertically opposite. Vertical opposite angle are always equal, so this is equal to 60. Okay, and if we look here, this is also a linear pair, so we can find this angle here. This angle should 180 minus 119. Okay, so this should be equal to 61. Okay, so this is 61. Okay, so in triangle FCD we can see this angle should, here it should 180. Sorry, here is 61. Okay, so now we look at angle C. That should 180 minus 60 minus 61. So this equal to 59. Okay, so 59. Okay, now we can find this angle. So this should here 180 minus 59. So this should equal to 121. Okay, so this is 121. Okay, now we can find this angle here. So 180 minus 121 minus 40. So this should equal to 19. So here at B, angle is 19, and this is our answer.